Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your password on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do once you're in Instagram is click on your profile icon at the bottom right to get to your profile page. Now, what we're going to want to do is access the Meta user account system, and you're going to go into the top right on these three bars, and that's going to open up your settings and activity page. Now, as you can see, the account center is the first option. You're just going to want to click on that, and once you do, you're going to get to this page. As you can see, this is your account center, and you have your account info here, and you can change things about your account specifically here. And as you can see, under account settings, you have password and security. You're just going to want to click on that. Then you can click on change password, select the account, and then enter the current password of the account. Re-enter the password, the new password twice, or the password that you want to change it to. You won't need to enter it twice. As you can see, you can select whether you want to log out of other devices or not. That's up to you, but then you can just click change password and your password will be changed. Another thing you can do, if you've forgotten your password, you can go to the login page, click can't log in or forgot password or whatever it says, then request either an SMS or an email message to get you a link to recover your password. Then go to your go to that link either on your email address or on your phone, and then click it, and you'll be brought to the password change screen, and you can very easily change it to whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.